I'm Ben Coates with Coates Homes. Welcome to my house. Homes are becoming more toxic because of the materials that we're using. In this home, the new thing is clean living.
Our homes are becoming more toxic than what is outside. And so we wanted to make sure that we kept the materials in their natural state as possible.
So we used a lot of white oaks. We use a water-based sealant versus anything with chemicals. And then we also have concrete floors. But we didn't use any acids, any chemicals, and we didn't inject the concrete with any color. We did water purification on a lot of our sinks that the kids and we use to drink from. We use low voltage lighting throughout the entire house. HEPA filters for all of our HVAC, as well as isolated room air purifiers.
Again, cleaning out the air from all the building process and materials.
Since we are breathing all day in the house.